Okay, so first of all, like I'll open my GitHub account, the test wala account, like I'm getting open. Okay, so here only what we'll do, like I'll just add one new repository. What repository name, like we have to give it, let's say GSP Servlet project. Okay, we'll add it. It is added now. It is also like providing us command na this. Okay, don't go on like the SSH, like we have to be in a HTTPS. Okay, so I'll check for like the project where it is present. See that one, the previous wala, first wala project. Okay, it is already open in my Eclipse also, so we'll see what changes will be there. See the first one, like what we had done there. Okay, so we'll push this projects only. What I have to do here, before passing this command, like you should have like the git bash. So we are not passing this command inside the git bash, we will use the cmd only. Okay, so like here, like we'll open the cmd. So I'm going to push this project na. So don't push like this project, like where you have to open the cmd. Mainly like we are doing like the one common mistake here. We are going inside this in Eclipse and we are passing cmd here. So it will try to find out, like it will take it like all the files na. I'm not like pushing this all the files. I want only this project wala file, this first project wala file. So here only I'll pass the cmd. Okay, so as I said, like right now you can see the status over there, like this is one the empty. Okay, so what was that command first? Git init, reinitialize existing git. See, it is showing now reinitializing the existing git. It means that something was going there, correct? It's checking with the some existing things, but I don't want the existing thing, like I'm just like going with the like the new one na. Okay, so like how to remove this status? So for that one also, like I am having the command over there. Can you see this command? Remove it. Okay, note down this command: rmdir dot git /s/q. Huh? Yes, which is the existing git is going there na now. I'm just going with my like the new operations. Sometime like we are passing na like the some mistakenly like any different URL over there, so it's going inside like some different. Okay, so again I'll pass the git init. So can you see now it is showing the initialize empty git only. Now there is nothing. Okay, so after that, like the next command is what? Git add dot, it's added. So after that, like after adding it's like what you have to do, like we have to commit it na. So for that, like we'll pass command git commit, and here like initial files. So it will show like all the files which are present inside it. And after that, like the next command is what? The remote we want na, the git remote add origin, and here I want the URL na. So we'll take this URL from it. Press enter, and the last command git push origin master na. First of all, like we'll push into the master. So this is my account where I'm going to push. Okay, it's pushed. So like we'll check over there, do refresh it. It is initial one. Okay, so now like we have pushed this like the data into this master branch. Like now there is no other branches now. Now we just like added only this code. So after that, like what I want, like I'm just like going to do some changes. So I'll not do the changes inside the master branch itself. Okay, so first I'll do the changes in other branches and then only I'll go to like merge it. Then correct. So what I'll do like first now, like I just need to create the new branches. Okay, so for creating the new branch, like what is the command? Let's say new branch name it is test1. So how to check whether it is there or not? So what git status will check? It will check for your changes. It is checking for your changes only, na, whether changes are there or not. Now there is no changes. I think we have committed everything what was there. Again, like if you come here, na, see, just do the refresh over there. So it is not showing inside this branch, but I have added. So let me check the logs. Okay, so for checking the logs, what was the command? Double hyphen, one line, decorate. Can you see there? On a head branch, it is showing our master, and one more branch it is showing now in behind, that is test1. It is created over there. Okay, so like now what I have to do, like let's say like I'm going a project. This is one our project now. So like I wanted to add like the one more file here. New. It is like the second servlet na here. Next, finish. So I'm not adding any code over there. Like if you want, then you can add it. Let's say I wanted to add like the more code. So what I'll do, like I'll just add one package, that is model wala. In a model we will add emp, and we have to create some like the method. Let's say public void display is any methods. Okay, let's say like I have added something over there. So what I have to do like next over there? If let's say like I was close it, my push wala part is done na, so that CMD will not get open na until like we'll do some changes and everything will do. So the first time initial push was there, like so like I'll close it. So again like what I'll do, like I'll come into my projects, the pool wala everyone has no. So again I'll come to here. What you have to pass? CMD na. So do I need to push again there? So first I'll check the status na, basically what files are there. So before going anywhere na, don't pass git init or like any other commands. So first check for the status. So how to check the status now? Git. Can you see that it's showing some files? But where I wanted to add this file, I don't want to add this file in a master na. I have my like other branch like I have added over there. Yes or no? So when I'll add the command over there, again that git log, one line, decorate. It is showing, but which branch is active now? Master branch. So now can we just switch out this branch? Okay, so like where I wanted to switch? Git checkout, on which one? It's switch. Okay, again I wanted to check the status. Can you see on a head now it is showing the test1. We are on test1. So in a test1, like what I have to like pass the process now here, steps. Now I'm going to push these changes into my test1 na, not in my master. Correct? So like how will I get these things? Now this data is there. So like what it is telling, like you have to just need to add it first. correct? So don't pass the git init wala command again, not needed. So for getting this file into this one, what we have to pass? Git dot. And now it is adding, now what it is asking there? Commit, na? That after adding wala, like the commit wala statement was there. So git commit -m, and what message like I have to pass? Let's say some test1 changes. Okay, so changes has done. This 4 files was there, na? So I have just committed this 3 to 4 files, whichever the files was there, I have committed to the test1. After that, but see, still it is not there on test1, na? I have just committed, but I have not pushed. So need to push it. So like what push wala command was there? Git push origin test1, na? Again it will ask for the account, see, in this one, no, only it is pushed. So where I have to check, like when I'll come to here, you can see the one request we are getting, it is there on like you on your test1, like when you refresh it. Can you see the branches added? Test1. Let's come into this test1. See, the changes is happening here, but not in a main branch, because we have not merged it over there. It was your initial wala files only. Yes, are you getting it or not?
Yes.
So what I have to do, like the next step then? But before merge, like need to again check the like the things, na, where we are active, basically which branch is active. See, my test1 is active now, and test1 will not do the merge, na? Merge will do the only the master, which is one like the main branch. So do I need to check out again? So what I'll pass then? Git checkout it's which, if you wanted to check the status, you can check it. It is on master now. Next like what I have to do? Git. If you check the status, what status it will show? Nothing, na? On a master branch there is nothing. You can see everything is committed already. Correct, na? The changes was happening in a test1. It was not there in a master branch. So what I have to do, like the next? Git merge which branch? Test1. But is this merge? Need to? No need to commit. It's already committed over there from the test1 side. Need to push it now on a master branch. We have not pushed. We take the pull request and now like we have to push it. So again, like what was the command to push it? Git push origin, where we have to push? I'll check it here now in my project status. Just do refresh. Can you see now there is no pull request? The changes are happening over there. Yes, understood or not this? The test1 changes was there, na, here. I pull it and I push into like the master branch. Again, let's say wanted to add like the more branches. We can add it, na? Let's add it more. But make sure like your active branch must be master branch. Then only you can add like the more branches. Don't try to like add the branches from like your child branches only. Correct, no? The child branches will not allow you to like create the new branches. You must be like on your the main master branch only. So first we'll check the status again where we are. Again you can check by this command also, git branch. It will show the active branch master. And one more branch is present, that is test1 wala branch. But the active branch is master one. So what I wanted to do, like again I wanted to create the one more branch. What is command? Let's say, okay, I am not doing anything. I'm not closing now CMD. Okay, so here only we'll again go in a Eclipse. We'll add one more model class. We'll add it like the manager. We'll add one method, public void get managers. Okay, so I have added like one more class here inside the model. See now here in a file like only I am there na here. See again, like I need to check the status first. It is showing the manager is there, but I don't want to push inside the master. I am going to push inside the, like we have added that second wala branch or not, test2, not added na. Let's say like I wanted to push inside the test2 branch. Okay, so like how will you do? First upon, like let's say someone is trying to check out in a test1. Okay, so here I'll just come into the test1, but I don't want to go in like test1. So what I'll do, again I will go in a master and we'll add one branch na here, git branch test2. It is added. We'll check the status by this one na here, log. Can you see that the master branch is active and it is showing the test2 and test1, both the branches are there. So the next command will be what? Checkout to the test2 na, because we are pushing inside the test2, correct? So like I'll pass the checkout into the test2. It switch. Okay, again I just wanted to check the status, what the data files are there. Still it is showing the files because we have not pushed still. Okay, so like what I have to do, like now next need to add it na, this file, which of the changes files are there, git add dot, and after that like will commit na here -m. It is test2 wala changes na here. And then I'll push into the git push origin test2. Here I'll select the account. Okay, push, like we'll check into here. One more request is added there from the test2. We'll check over there. See here, test2 wala changes is not affected here. Again I'll check into the test1. It was test1 wala changes was there no only. In a test2, like we'll see, it's affected na here in test2, but still like we have not merged into the master again. So what I have to do, like the next here, it's added to the, like the test2. Again check out to the master. It switch. Next git merge test2, and then git push origin master. We'll check the changes. Now there is no request. We'll come into the master branch, which is default one. The changes is happening here. So in there one also, like you can see in a Java model, both the files are present, which the EMP was added by the test1 na, and the manager was added by the test 2. Correct? So like now this whole system is there in my system here. Correct? So like how to share it with your like the other repositories now? No, not clone. So when someone like, let's say like I'm going to like share my repository to the someone, na, to my colleagues. Okay. Let's say Arbaz is going to share this like repository to like the Ashutosh. So how he will get it? Just go in a settings and here collaborators are there. Collaborators. See in a collaborator, can you see? Add people to whom like you are going to give the access. You have to add like their username or email ID. So they will get like the one invitation over there. Let's say I'm adding mine account only. So it's mine account. Invite collaborator. Okay, we have added, but still like when I'll go into that dashboard now, I'll do the checkout from this. And I'll go into the second account. See, here you can see the mailbox inbox is there. I received the invitation. Can you see? Open this invitation and accept it. I'll able to see this all the things. Got it? Only the thing is what? When this account will try to delete this repository, so he will not able to do. Yes, the owner is different. Here only it will get do the access over the restriction. If you wanted to like show the like here, no need to like give the other restriction over there. Okay, here only like thing is what, in a setting only like the option is there, na, to delete it. For delete it's what? To delete the repository. But here there is no allow, na, basically to delete it. This is not the owner. The owner was different. He just like accessing that like the repository over there. Understood? So like you can also like see that all of like the 3 branches, na, which it's created. Okay. Yes, understood or not? Is this difficult?